How do you know if a product is suitable for your intended use? When it comes to building products, you shouldn't need to guess. We have building codes written to protect public health, safety, and welfare as they relate to the construction and occupancy of buildings and structures. Codes exist in construction to protect our health and safety, but how do you know if the product you're looking at complies to any standards at all? The only way to know for sure is if it has been evaluated by a recognized, accredited certification body. Code compliance requires three things: a recognized standard, impartial testing, and most importantly, the scheduled and continuous manufacturing facility audits to prove continuous compliance of the manufacturing process and quality assurance program. TuffWrap knows what's required. After all, it's our business, and we don't leave anything to chance. IAPMO's Uniform Evaluation Services Report shows exactly that in a concise, user-oriented format. Our customers can be certain that our suspended cover product, SmartSeam, is compliant with the codes governing installation. IAPMO, the company behind Uniform ES reports, has been at this since 1926, and nobody does it better. Working with engineers at IAPMO Uniform ES, TuffWrap assisted in identifying requirements, participated in the creation of a consensus document outlining these requirements, and the specific testing to prove compliance with the code sections. These include flame and smoke performance, stability, and structural performance requirements. We then created a manufacturing audit system and quality control procedure. With most evaluation agencies, that's where the story ends, but with Uniform ES and TuffWrap, it's just the beginning. Continuous compliance audits and monitoring of the code sections for updates is what IAPMO does on a regular basis for their clients and the industry. Many people, like your local building officials, your fire marshal, and your contractor, want to be sure that the products are code compliant and right for the job. If these folks have questions, and they often do, Uniform ES will have the answer for them when they need it. So what does that IAPMO Uniform ES mark of conformity really give you? Assurance that SmartSeam is a code-compliant installation you and your team can rely on. It comes down to this: TuffWrap plus IAPMO Uniform ES equals confidence and compliance.